I will now show you how to bootstrap a React TypeScript project using Vite.js in seconds. Please ensure that you have Node.js installed. Let's start by using a command that uses npm to execute a scaffolding script to initialize the project. Depending on the template selected, the installer will adjust the project to use TypeScript or just plain JS. In our example, we will use React.js and also include TypeScript. After executing the command, we have a directory with a specified name. We can enter it and install the necessary dependencies to run our React dev server. Let's take a look at the freshly populated package.json. Vite created some scripts for us that we can use to build, lint and run our project. Next to React and TypeScript, Vite also installs necessary Vite.js modules and ESLint for linting rules. Let's install them. Your screen should look like this, and we should now be able to start a simple development server using the npm run dev command. Let's access our local dev server on Vite's default port 5173 using the browser. Like and subscribe for more knowledge snacks.